4 asteroids, 4 close approaches, all in the span of just 3 days. And one of them might even hit the moon. This week, headlines exploded with news about asteroids flying dangerously close to Earth. Some the size of airplanes, some school bus sized. Are we in danger? Is the media overhyping it? Or are we living through a real-time cosmic warning? Let's decode the facts one asteroid at a time and find out what's really going on above our heads. The first visitor was asteroid 2025 OW, and it arrived on July 28. Estimated to be between 50 and 110 meters wide, this rock was about the size of a jumbo jet. It zipped past Earth at an astonishing 47,000 miles per hour, and it got as close as 393,000 miles, just a little farther than the moon. Despite scary headlines, scientists at NASA and other observatories quickly confirmed there was never any real danger. But its sheer size and speed caught global attention and set the stage for a tense week in space watching. The very next day, July 29, another object appeared. Asteroid 2025 ON1. Smaller than OW, but still concerning. ON1 is around 88 feet wide, about 27 meters, or the length of a basketball court. It passed by at about 5.4 million kilometers from Earth. That's more than 14 times the distance to the moon. And it was traveling at 25,200 miles per hour. Again, there was no risk of impact. But the timing made it feel like asteroids were suddenly everywhere. In reality, these events are part of a well-monitored pattern, not an apocalyptic surprise. And then came asteroid 2025 OL1, arriving on July 30, just 1 day later. This one is roughly the size of a school bus, about 33 meters wide, and it's moving at 16,900 miles per hour. It's expected to pass Earth at a distance of 1.29 million kilometers, or more than 3 times farther than the moon. What makes OL1 interesting in its size and how slowly it's moving compared to others, which makes it easier to observe and track. Again, zero threat, but a good reminder of how space traffic is very real. Now let's talk about the most mysterious one. Asteroid 2024 YR4. This isn't part of this week's flybys, but it's been quietly tracked since last year. And here's the twist. It once had a chance of hitting Earth in 2032. Thankfully, updated calculations show Earth is now safe. But the moon might not be. There is a 4% chance this asteroid could collide with the moon in December 2032. It's around 100 meters wide, big enough to leave a huge crater and potentially affect future lunar missions or satellites. While it would be safe, a moon impact of the size would be the first observed in modern human history. Let's imagine just for a moment that one of these asteroids didn't miss us. A 30 to 100 meter object could cause major destruction, especially in a populated area. It wouldn't cause mass extinction, but it would flatten a city, unleash fireballs, or trigger a tsunami if it struck water. That's why planetary defense isn't just science fiction anymore. NASA's DART mission in 2022 successfully nudged an asteroid's orbit, showing we now have tools to protect Earth if we ever face a real threat. Four asteroids in 3 days, each different in size, speed, and distance, but all of them reminding us of one thing. We live in a solar system that's alive, active, and constantly in motion. The good news, we're not blind. We have eyes in the sky. Telescopes, satellites, and scientists working day and night to track these objects. We may not be able to stop every asteroid yet, but we're learning fast. Is Earth in danger right now? No. Should we stay informed and support space science? Absolutely. 2025 OWON1 OL1 and 2024 YR4 aren't the end of the world. They are a preview of what's out there. And the more we learn, the better we prepare. This is Orbital Vistas, your guide to what's happening beyond our world. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and drop your question in the comments. And remember, the universe is watching. And so are we.